Guess what that is, guys? That's my old Busa pan. We're going to make a seat for the Honda Rebel out of it. What I did, there used to be a bracket here. I cut that off. I sawzalled the sides a little bit. I ground everything off. I pulled all the bumpers out. It's actually perfect for this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make it a bobber seat. We're going to put 2 springs in there, and we're going to buy the mechanism, what is that called? The bracket, and it'll sit just about like that. Probably it'll sit just about right there, and that's going to be tooled leather also. So it'll sit just about like that, guys. Bumping and all kind of crap here. I'll tell you what, that'll look nice. But it's going to sit a little, it'll basically cup my butt perfectly. It'll sit up high just about like that right there. Because the springs are 2 inches, so that's actually perfect. Yep. Who says a Hayabusa seat can't be used on a Honda Rebel? What I did was I ground it, I cut it up a little bit. This is that closed cell foam I got for the big dog. I had some left, and what we're going to do now is we're going to get a couple weights. We're going to put some weights on this to make sure it dries. And that's glued down naturally. It's sprayed down headliner glue. So that's part 1, guys. Tell me what you think.